Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you put threads link in Instagram bio. So at first just go to your threads. Now in the threads click the bottom last profile icon. Now in the profile icon click on share profile. And after clicking the share profile, if you don't find the copy link option in the share, you can just do one thing. You can just click it on any social platforms just like WhatsApp, and after clicking it just send it to any person you want. And after sending it, here you can see in the bottom the thread link is short. Now you can just click it to copy it, and after copying it just go back to your Instagram and click the bottom last profile icon. Now click on edit profile. Now click on add link and click on add external link. Now in the URL option you can just click on it and click it to paste it, and after that click the top right done. So guys, that's how you can put threads link in Instagram bio. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.